Did you know that 78% of adults live paycheck to paycheck, even those who earn six figures? And do you know why? Because most of them were never taught about money as kids. Money is one of the most important skills in life, yet schools don't teach it. If kids don't learn how to handle money early on, they'll spend years, maybe even a lifetime, struggling with financial mistakes. If you don't teach your kids about money, the world will. And trust me, the world wants them broke. Banks want them in debt. Advertisers want them spending. Society tells them to just go and get a job and save, but never how to grow wealth. So today we change that. In this video, I'll share 10 financial lessons every parent must teach their kids. Lessons that will help them grow up smart, financially free, and never have to worry about money. So grab a notebook because these lessons could change your child's future forever. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Money is earned, not given. Picture this, your child asks for a new toy. Instead of saying yes or no, you say, "Great, what can you do to earn it?" Why? Because money is not free. If kids believe money magically appears from your wallet, they'll never learn how to earn it. Here's what to do. Give them small, age-appropriate tasks, chores, helping with errands, or even a mini business like selling lemonade. Pay them based on effort, not just existence. This teaches them a powerful life lesson. Money is the result of effort, not entitlement. And trust me, that mindset will serve them for life. Lesson 2. The 3-jar budgeting system. Let's be real, most adults suck at budgeting. That's because they never taught how to manage money as kids. Here's a simple yet powerful way to teach budgeting from a young age. The 3-jar method. Give your child 3 jars labeled save for future goals, spend for fun and small purchases, give to help others. Whenever they earn money, they must divide it between these 3 jars. This teaches them discipline and helps them understand that money isn't just for spending, it has a purpose. Bonus tip, offer to match their savings. If they put $5 in saving jar, you add another $5. This encourages smart money habits early on. Lesson number 3, needs versus wants. The secret to smart spending. If kids don't understand this, they'll always be broke, no matter how much they earn. Next time you go to shopping, ask your child, is this something we need or just something we want? Here's how to make it fun. Needs is equals to food, clothes, school supplies. Wants equals to toys, fast food, expensive gadgets. This simple habit stops impulse buying and teaches them that money decisions should always be intentional. And trust me, if they learn this young, they'll avoid making terrible financial mistakes as adults. Lesson 4. How to make money work for you. Investing basics. Did you know if a 10-year-old invests just $1 a day, they could have over $100,000 by the time they retire? Most people never get rich because they only rely on active income. They work for money instead of making money work for them. So, how do you teach investing to kids? Tell them a story. Imagine planting an apple tree. Over time, it grows and gives more apples, just like money grows when you invest it. Use real-life examples. Show them how companies like Disney, Apple, and Nike make money. Pro tip, open a custodial investment account for your child and let them buy shares of company they love. It's a game changer. Lesson number 5, the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Here's a fun challenge. Would you rather get $1 million today or a penny doubled every day for 30 days? Most people pick $1 million, but the penny actually grows to $10.7 million. That's the power of compound interest. The earlier your child learns this, the richer they will become. So, teach them this golden rule. Start investing early and let time do the work. Lesson 6, debt is a trap. Avoid it like fire. Most people don't learn about debt until they're drowning in it. Let's make sure your child avoids this trap. Simple way to extend debt: imagine borrowing your friend's toy but having to return it with 2 extra toys. That's how loan works. Credit cards aren't free money. Student loans can be lifelong trap. Only borrow when necessary and always have a plan to pay it back. Lesson number 7, giving is important, but be smart about it. Giving isn't just about donating money, it's about using money to make a real impact. Encourage your kids to give a small percentage of their earnings, but also teach them to be smart givers. Not all charities are equal. Sometimes donating time or skills is more valuable than money. Helping someone start a business is more powerful than one-time handout. Smart giving builds a sense of responsibility. Lesson number 8, how to negotiate and think like an entrepreneur. Most schools don't teach this, but every successful person knows it. The ability to negotiate and think like an entrepreneur will change your child's life. Fun activity: next time your kid wants something, make them negotiate for it. At a garage sale, encourage them to ask for a discount. Challenge them to start a mini business, like selling old toys, babysitting, or reselling sneakers. Why? Because the ability to create income and negotiate deals is one of the biggest skills that leads to wealth. Lesson number 9, money buys freedom, not happiness. Too many people think money equals to happiness. But the truth is, money equals to choices. The choice to travel, the choice to work a job you love, the choice to retire early. Teach kids that money doesn't bring happiness, but it does bring freedom. And that's what truly matters. Lesson number 10, the best investment is in yourself. The greatest investors, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, all says the same thing. Invest in yourself first. Teach your kids to keep learning, books, courses, skills. Focus on health. Wealth is useless without health. Surround themselves with smart, driven people. Because at the end of the day, your mind is your biggest asset. These 10 lessons could change your child's life forever, but they only work if you start teaching them now. Which lesson do you wish you had learned earlier? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful money tips every week on Finance Gate.